Greetings, and it's another day in paradise on our beautiful planet Earth, and I've come to have a short chat with you about when life gets tough, your power shines through. Just think of a challenge that seems impossible to overcome. Maybe it's a personal struggle, a career setback, challenges at work, a health challenge. It just feels completely overwhelming, doesn't it? Like there's nothing you can do about it. But your biggest and your most pronounced challenges reveals your strength and your power. You are here. It is no use to keep on thinking that you should be over there. And in many instances, there are so many things that are happening in our lives that are encouraging us to give up, to say, what's the use? And to just say, I can't do this. I cannot do this. I can't take this anymore. I cannot continue. It's so easy to fall into that trap. Today, I'm inviting you to say, no. No. You can trust yourself. You can stand up in the face of adversity. Just think of how many people there are on this planet right now that's also struggling. None of us are exempt. And I'm here today to tell you something important. Those very challenges are the key to unlocking your greatest strength and power. Isn't that exciting? What do you think right now of the possibilities, of the opportunities that may be locked in this experience for you? So let's explore this idea. What if the hardest and most difficult moments in your life that you've had to face are actually the most wonderful opportunities for you to discover just how powerful and just how strong you are, and that there are gifts in disguise? That the very obstacle that you are encountering is a chance to discover parts of yourself that you didn't even know existed. That's exactly what I want to explore with you today. How the challenges we face reveal our true strength and power. The tougher the challenge, the more it can shape and define your inner resilience. Because that's what you now need to do. You now need to find your own inner resilience. So we all face challenges, big and small. It's part of our human experience. None of us are going to escape that. And it's not a good or a bad thing. Suspend the need to think of it as good or bad. Think of it rather as, how can I make this work for me? How can I take what's not working and make it work for you? Think of all the great people in history. They didn't arrive at success by avoiding obstacles. They took these challenges. It was a defining part of their journey. They took these challenges and they built on them. And life will continue to throw challenges at your way. And it's how you respond that's going to shape you. But now you've got to look at what you generate in terms of how you think of a situation. If every thought that you think is an ingredient that you are placing in the hands of life. So if your ingredients that you are going to place in the hands of life are going to be ingredients like, I cannot do this. This is too much for me. This is overwhelming me. This is going to sink me. This is going to ruin me. What must life do with such ingredients? How can it create magic and miracles for you with such ingredients? So I'm inviting you today to go and just spend, if your life feels overwhelming, go and spend just 5 minutes with yourself, somewhere quiet. Even if it means that you're at the office and you need to go and sit in a restroom somewhere, or even on a toilet. Doesn't matter, 5 minutes. And then you start thinking and you contemplate the ingredients that you have available to place in the hands of life. And you're changing the ingredients that you give life to create something special for you. So think of ingredients like, I'm strong, capable, I'm competent, I know what I do, I'm experienced. Life never gives me more than I can handle. And I'm divinely guided. I always have guidance to come out on top. But you need to participate with wonderful ingredients and with ingredients that is going to create magic for you. And that's so simple. Just change the ingredients and life will take care of the method. So go and have a wonderful day and go and discover some amazing ingredients so that it can reveal to you your real true strength and power. Why? Because you can. See you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And whatever you do, choose some wonderful and delectable ingredients. See you soon. Such is life. Bye.